Welcome. In this tutorial, you will learn about the remote control included in the packaging with the Bose Professional Videobar VB family of devices. The remote control provides in-room meeting participants with an option to use a physical remote control instead of the app. It's important to note that the use of the remote control is not required for system operation. The Videobar mobile app mimics the same user control. We provide both options for those who prefer the use of a mobile app or a physical remote. Let's review the remote control's button layout and functions. Press the microphone mute to mute or unmute the microphone array when enabled. The VB1's mute icon next to the camera is illuminated, and in a VBS, the light bar is red. Hold the Bluetooth pairing button for 3 seconds for the VB device to enter pairing mode. Once the Bluetooth indicator on the VB device is pulsing blue, go to the Bluetooth settings on your mobile device to complete the pairing. After successfully pairing your mobile device, the Bluetooth indicator on the VB device will be illuminated white, and you can now use it as a speakerphone for mobile calls or to stream music. Use the directional arrows to manually pan the camera left or right and to tilt it up or down. Press these buttons to make small incremental changes or hold them down for continuous change. Please note the directional arrows are disabled when no zoom is applied. Speaking of zoom, press and hold the plus button to zoom in and use the minus button to zoom out instantly. Recall pre-configured digital pan, tilt, and zoom settings by pressing the home, 1 or 2 buttons. Press and hold any of these 3 buttons to save the current settings to a preset. Press the auto frame button between presets 1 and 2 to enable or disable auto framing. When connected to a VBS, this will enable or disable the selected auto framing mode. Please note, auto framing is automatically disabled when any of the pan, tilt, or zoom or preset buttons are used. Finally, volume adjustments are made using the volume plus and minus buttons. You can see in the side-by-side comparison that the remote control button layout closely resembles the control layout provided in the Videobar mobile app. Any changes made using the remote control will be reflected in the Videobar mobile app. This concludes the remote control tutorial. Continue your learning journey by moving through this series of tutorials. Thank you.